Dear students, in this video you will get bookwork of chapter Metal and Non-Metal. First of all, we will discuss Check Your Knowledge bookwork. Here given fill-ups. Most metals are solid at room temperature. Second, metal react with oxygen to give metal oxide. Third, phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal. Next is non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Metal react with acid to produce hydrogen gas. So these fill-ups you will do. Next, what are? You have to identify the pick. What are properties of it? So this is the sulfur, and properties of sulfur are sulfur react with oxygen and form sulfur dioxide, and this sulfur dioxide has acidic nature. So sulfur dioxide, which is non-metal oxide, is acidic in nature. Sulfur break down into powdery substance. It is brittle in nature and it is soft, not a solid. But whenever we will get that, it will look like a solid, but when we will start it just beating, then it will convert into the powdery substance, so it is brittle. Next, identify what are the properties of phosphorus. So this pic is of phosphorus, and properties of phosphorus are: phosphorus is most reactive non-metal, it is colored, it is brittle in nature, and it is non-malleable and non-ductile, so it will convert into the powdery substance. Next pick, identify it. It is diamond, and according to the shine we will see diamond is hardest in nature, and it is good conductor of heat but bad conductor of electricity, and it shines a lot, so it is very lustrous. It is a form of carbon because it is the allotrope of carbon. We will get it from the carbon. Next question is, are copper, aluminium and lead are ductile? Yes, copper, aluminium and lead are ductile in nature, and we can convert into long wires. So this property known as a ductile. Next question, give an example of metal which is a liquid at room temperature. So mercury, gallium and cesium, they are metal and liquid at room temperature. Next, which metal is the best conductor of heat? So silver is best conductor of heat. Which metal is comparatively a poor conductor of heat? Answer is lead and mercury are poor conductor of heat. Next, think and apply. First question is, which metal can be cut easily with the knife? So sodium and potassium we can cut with the knife. These are soft metals. Next, which of the following can be beaten into thin sheet? So zinc can beaten, we can beat it and convert into the sheet. Read the following statement carefully and select the correct statement about the physical and chemical properties of metal. So generally metals are ductile, and metal which are more reactive than hydrogen react with acid to release hydrogen gas. So both answers will be correct. Aluminium foil is used for wrapping food because it is malleable in nature. After beating with a hammer, we can convert into in a thin sheet, so it can use for the food wrapping. Food cans are coated with the tin, not the zinc, because zinc is more reactive than tin. So food cans, whatever food is there, it will react with the zinc. So next is metal X react vigorously with the water to produce Y gas, which burns with the pop sound. So X is a sodium and Y is a gas, that is a hydrogen gas. When it will burn, it will give us the pop sound.